A John Deere digital account can be used to access all of the online tools, services, and mobile apps that John Deere has to offer. This video will demonstrate the steps involved in the creation and setup of a new John Deere digital account. The setup process was designed to be used by anyone who would like to have a John Deere digital experience, and it is meant for everyone with John Deere or non-Deere equipment, whether that equipment can be connected or not. Account creation is structured to quickly and easily take you through the steps needed to create a complete John Deere account. The first step involves establishing your user account. The second consists of creating an organization and accepting terms of use. The third step allows you to add your equipment. And the fourth and final step consists of selecting your primary supporting John Deere dealer. You can begin the account creation process either on the web via a PC or on a mobile device. To get started, you can visit any John Deere digital application, such as the John Deere Shop, John Deere Financial, Operations Center, or Property Center, and select Create an Account. Selecting Create an Account will kick off the account creation process by asking you to describe your business or how you use your equipment, and then asking you for standard account details such as your name and email address. Next, you will be asked to verify your email address by looking for and opening an email from John Deere. A verification code will have been sent to the email address that you entered in the previous step. This code will be valid for 30 minutes and could take a minute or two to arrive. Once the message arrives, you will need to enter the code and click the Verify Email button. After verification, you'll be asked to provide a few additional details, such as your address and phone number. After all additional account information has been entered, you will need to select Next Step, Create Password. Here you will be asked to create a unique password that follows all provided guidelines. Upon completion, you can click Create Account. You will then be brought to the Tell Us About Your Organization page for the purpose of creating an organization. Think of an organization as a container used to manage your equipment, staff, and partners. Having an organization allows you easy access to your machines, people, data, and much more. During this step, you will be asked to provide an organization name and address, if applicable, and will be asked to accept the terms of use. Once accepted, you will be guided to the Tell Us About Your Equipment step. At this time, any of your existing equipment, Deere branded or non-Deere branded, connectivity capable or not, can be added. For the best results, you can either manually enter the serial number of your equipment or use the camera on your mobile device to scan the barcode off the serial number plate to populate the make, type, and model fields. If you don't have your equipment serial number handy, you can choose to either add your equipment later or add your equipment without the serial number. If you enter a serial number either manually or via the barcode scanner, you may see a message stating that the equipment that you entered is already present in another organization. If this message pops up and your equipment has a JD-Link modem, you will see a Request Transfer button at the bottom of the page, which can be used to request that the equipment be transferred into your newly created organization. If the equipment that you entered is JD-Link connectivity capable and not already present in another organization, you will have the opportunity to activate JD-Link connectivity on the equipment that you are currently adding, and to automatically activate JD-Link connectivity on all compatible equipment that gets added to your organization in the future. Once your equipment information is entered and any desired connectivity options are selected, click Add Equipment. If you opted to enable connectivity, you will be presented with the John Deere Telematics Service Contract. You can review the contract details and check the box to signify your agreement. At this time, you can either add additional equipment, or if you have already added all desired equipment, you can select Done. Selecting Done will bring you to the final step of the account creation process and connect you to your supporting John Deere dealer. Here, a primary supporting John Deere dealer will be pre-populated based on the information that you entered in the previous steps. If the suggested dealer is not your preferred local John Deere dealer, the option to choose a different dealer is available. After dealer selection, you will have the option to enable data sharing with your chosen dealer. Enabling data sharing allows your supporting John Deere dealer to view and manage access to basic equipment details, such as location, alerts, diagnostic trouble codes, and equipment transfers, as well as view only access to basic organization details such as staff, operator, and partner lists. After selecting your primary supporting John Deere dealer and determining your data sharing arrangement, you will be able to select Complete Setup. At this time, you will be shown a summary of your fully completed account, which includes your user information, organization information, equipment information, and supporting dealer information. After reviewing your account details, you can select Done, which will send you back to the John Deere digital tool that you began the account creation process in. We look forward to connecting with you, and thanks for watching.